Welcome back to Best Car Fixes. First of all, the car is not charging. Now, the first thing you have to do, you have to look for a way of getting wiring diagram. This is Identifix. I'm a subscriber on it. And as you notice here, I went inside and I pulled down the diagram for instrument cluster. Why? Because the car is not working. Like when I turn the ignition on, so I get a fuse panel B here, or fuse panel C. But what I notice here is we have C32, B12, B11. We have to check all those fuses. I don't know which one is B, which one is, but this is say hot all time. And this hot all time also for the cluster. So we have to go through that diagnosis first. Okay, now I'm coming here. The first thing I have to do, if you notice, car is start. But if you notice here, this is the charging system. You see here? Okay, you see here? 13 volt. Let me disconnect the charger. I don't need that charger. Stay with me. I need a really regular one. So, I am going to disconnect or turn off the charger here. We don't need this one. I'm just gonna leave it. Just take it out also. We don't need that one. I disconnect it. So now I'm gonna show you that how the car is not charging and why it is not charging. Let me show you here. Come here, start the car. Car is start. The car is start. But look here. Charging system, you see 12. Give gas 12. Nothing. Signal work. There's nothing lighting here. Don't forget that the cluster have a big role of eliminating the charging system. Yes, if the cluster doesn't light up, for sure, we're not gonna get the primer exciting for the alternator to work. Now, key here, alternator is there, but nothing. So what I'm gonna do is, based on the power in the front, everything good, I will come here, I open this fuse box. I need to have all my powers. You see here, I need to have all this fully good. And if this is like this on the top, look at the bottom, stop lamp, pause, pushing start, room lamp, meter, and spare. So one in the bottom there, I believe we have to have at least power there. The one in the bottom, we have two spare and the third one. So let me go back slowly. Okay, if this is spare, these two are spare. This is spare. So the top one here, you see here I have power. Here, I have power. What I have here, I have power. 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 Good. Good. You see here? Now I don't have nothing here. This one here, I don't have nothing. You see? Push one here. Push here. Nothing. If I give power here, look what's gonna happen. I'm gonna give power there. See, look. Power off. Power off. Power off. Good. So this fuse here, I don't know what it is, but this fuse here, be sure that it's working. So what I'm gonna go and take it out. I have a plier with a nose plier. Yes, brother. Hold on. Okay. Let me see now. Okay. See, now I can see something. Look here. It's more important. Now I gotta go and get my meter. Now car is running 14.4. Okay. Beautiful. So we are good now. Battery terminal is clean. If you don't watch this video, please watch the first video. And please subscribe, share, and like. And see you in another video. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. And thank you for your support. Okay. Thank you. Thanks a lot. And this is Muhammad Harun.